Tips and tricks every affiliate marketer should know. One great online business to get into is affiliate marketing. It's not actually hard to do, but it does have a learning curve that needs to be taken on if you want to make good money. Here are some tips for getting you past that learning curve. Maybe you can even break the curve. Pay for a professional logo. It's worth the investment to look put together and professional. If your webpage and logo look like you did it yourself on a Saturday night after dinner, your customers will notice, and they may not want to put their faith or money in the hands of someone who doesn't look like they know what they are doing. First impressions count. If you are ever going to make money in the affiliate marketing industry, it is important that you buy a domain name. While this may seem obvious, the novice may not know what affiliate advertising entails. You should try to get a domain name that fits your product perfectly. You should select affiliate marketing partners that offer products closely related to your website's focus. This is not a case of encouraging the competition but simply smart business. Visitors to your website are most likely to purchase products related to the topics that brought them to you in the first place. By selecting affiliates that provide such products, you will increase the chance of successful sales. If you want true results from affiliate marketing, keep only the highest profit affiliates and kill off the rest. On a consistent basis, look into the results of your affiliates. By getting rid of affiliates who perform poorly, you can replace them with those who will bring in more revenue. You may have to invest a little bit of capital if you expect big results in affiliate marketing. Do not be afraid to spend some money on ad services that will allow you to better target traffic. This will ultimately increase your presence online and give you many more chances to earn big commissions. Affiliates with blogs should be keeping their readers informed at all times. Blogs by nature have regularly updated content, and thus they receive recurring visitors. Create a resource page for your visitors so that they can easily check and find old content if they are interested in knowing more. These ideas should help you move steadily toward affiliate marketing success. Making money as an affiliate isn't an instant process, but one of constant learning, tweaking and gradual building. Following these tips is an investment in your future though, so with what you've learned, you can go forth and build the financial freedom you desire. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.